Every day, millions of people consume hamburgers around the world. But how do factories efficiently turn meat into patties and wheat into buns on such a massive scale? How is this process effectively managed? Let's explore the production line behind your favorite hamburger. Did you know McDonald's sells nearly 75 billion hamburgers worldwide each year, with Americans consuming almost 50 billion of them? So, is this an American invention? Well, the Romans first recorded grinding leftover meat into patties, creating isicia aumentata, a mix of pork, wine, pepper, and garum. By the 1870s, American restaurants served Hamburg steaks, named after Hamburg, Germany. These were fried, flattened meatballs made from leftover steak scraps. The invention of the meat grinder made turning meat into affordable meals easier. In 1921, the White Castle fast food chain was founded, advertising their hamburgers as clean and hygienically made. By the 1930s, the hamburger had become simply a burger, and White Castle faced competition from first the Wimpy chain, then McDonald's. It all starts with huge industrial machines that prove the dough twice and punch it down again to make it easier to handle. After proofing, the ingredients are turned into light and fluffy dough balls. Look at how perfectly they roll them up. As the buns are prepped, an egg sprayer applies a fine layer before the sesame seeds are sprinkled on top. The ovens are so huge and well systemized that they manage to keep on baking the buns in dedicated time until all of them get their glossy golden finish. Once the baking process is complete, it's impossible not to admire the straight rows of thousands of perfectly baked buns. Next, the buns pass through a precise cutting system that slices them in half, ready for packaging, ensuring consistency before being shipped for burger assembly. High-capacity grinders process large quantities of meat into uniform pieces. The meat is then mixed in giant tanks with salt and pepper, ensuring even seasoning for efficient patty production. Seasoned meat is sliced by automatic machines with precision blades, forming uniform patties with consistent size and shape. Patties are refrigerated, separated by interleaving paper to prevent sticking. Smaller packages may skip this. Conveyors transport patties to packaging, where scanners and robotic arms ensure quality. No hamburger is complete without some extra pickles. Do you agree? Once harvested, the cucumbers are transferred to cleaning stations. Next, the cucumbers are submerged in a brine solution of salt, vinegar, and spices for several days to weeks, enhancing the flavor. Then, cucumbers are sliced, jarred with brine, sealed, and prepared for transport to stores. This is probably the healthiest ingredient in a hamburger: fresh, shredded lettuce, carefully washed and dried to keep it crisp and prevent the bun from becoming soggy. Another key component of hamburgers is tomatoes. Following harvest, they go through a lengthy chain of processing to guarantee quality and cleanliness before being packaged and prepared for further use. That perfectly melted piece of cheese that turns a decent burger into an experience that will never be forgotten is the game changer in every burger. The high-speed slicer is used to cut the enormous blocks of cheese that are the first step in the process. The automated machine slices through each block with remarkable speed and accuracy as it performs its magic. Alright, all the ingredients for a hamburger are ready. They are carefully transported to stores, ensuring the freshest components are used to create a meal that delivers not just a satisfying taste, but a unique experience with every bite, bringing the finest flavors to your plate. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified about new videos. See you soon!